If I had to describe tonight in one word, I'd probably say electric.
Empowering.
Really inspiring.
Powerful.
At tonight's Women in the West event, we really focused on visibility, building confidence and building connections. We did a whole lot of speed networking where we played the music, we moved around the room, had to introduce ourselves to someone, and then we built our audience. So we went from speaking to one person to speaking to 5 people to ending up on a panel at the end of the night where the women on the panel were speaking to over 100 women.
One of the biggest takeaway of tonight is just being real and raw and authentic.
Seeing that we all have a commonality in our challenges promoting our business.
I need to be more visible and get the courage to get the message out there so that I can help more people in the community.
The response was really beautiful tonight. I think people really connected with this idea that women, they can be more visible. They can put themselves out there. It's really important.
I love attending the Women in the West event because it's all about women. We're all successful, we're all passionate about our businesses.
We have such a diverse range of women from all businesses and cultures and backgrounds.
It's just given everyone inspiration and the courage to do more and be more visible and get themselves out there to help their business and their clients.